Hi, I'm Joette Calabrese, and I'm a homeopathic consultant. I specialize in working with families and teaching moms the benefits of homeopathy. When choosing a homeopathic medicine to counter a cold symptom or cough, look for the most outstanding features of the cold to match the most outstanding of the medicine. And when improvement occurs, stop the medicine. If need be, switch to another one after giving the first one a good chance. It takes practice, but once you become adroit with homeopathy, you'll find out just how well it works as an individualized treatment. Antimonium tart, antimony potassium tartrate. It relieves a wet cough with thick phlegm and difficult expectoration. Kali iodatum, which is potassium iodide. Kali iodatum relieves burning nasal discharge, especially if there's a feeling of constriction at the base of the nose. Natrum muriaticum, which is actually sea salt. Nat Mur relieves a runny nose alternating with periods of dryness and stinging of the nasal cavity. Natrum muriaticum is a homeopathic preparation of sea salt containing a lot of different salts. Pulsatilla, which is windflower. It relieves non-irritating yellowish nasal discharge with dry nose at night, becoming runny during the day, and loss of smell and taste. Spongia tosta. This is sea sponge. It relieves a croupy, barking cough, especially after a chill or cold weather. It's made from dry, roasted sponge skeleton. When breathing the crushed, roasted sponge, one would choke and start coughing, making bark-like sounds, similar to a seal. What homeopathic medicines offer to a family is empowerment. It allows you to take full control as much as you possibly can in situations of illness. If you need to get to a doctor, you can still do that. You can use these remedies on the way, but you have more empowerment at home.